Today, lawmakers in Lansing will be debating a hands-free driving legislation. Not sure what the debate really would be about, but Kim DeJulio live this morning with details on that legislative push. Good morning, Kim.
Good morning, Jason. Okay, so here's a number for you. 1,000 people. That's how many people died on Michigan roads just last year. Think about that. That's somebody's mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife. And a lot of those deaths are simply because of distracted driving, easily preventable. And that's what this legislation is all about. It's something the Kiefer Foundation has been working towards since the year 2016. And today, they may become one step closer based on today's hearing. Today, the Transportation Committee in the House will hear a series of 3 bills led by Matt Kolazar, all aimed at prohibiting phone use while driving in Michigan.
The bill basically says if you're holding the phone, touching the phone while you're driving the car, it's a primary offense. You can be pulled over and issued a citation for $100. A small fee to remind people to put the phone away, something Steve Kiefer, chairman of the Kiefer Foundation, wishes was the law 7 years ago when his son was killed by a distracted driver, because maybe his son might still be here today. Mitchell was rear-ended by a young lady that was on her phone, drove him into oncoming traffic, and Mitchell was killed instantly. So we decided to start the Kiefer Foundation to try to bring an end to distracted driving. It's been a 4-year process trying to get legislation changed in Michigan, making holding your phone while driving a primary offense. So we've now been through 2 sessions of Congress here in Michigan unsuccessful, but we're really optimistic this time that we've got the right formula, we've got the right bill sponsors, and we've got the right plan to get Michigan to be the 26th state that's hands-free. And in every state that we have these laws in place, the crashes go down, the deaths go down, even insurance rates go down. If the bipartisan bills pass the House, the next step would be getting them passed in the Senate, something Steve Kiefer says he'd like to accomplish before Memorial Day, which is also the start of the 100 deadliest days on the roads. I know we can save lives this summer with these bills being signed into law. However, if these bills are signed into law, that's just step 1. The next step is getting drivers to follow them. If you look across the 26 states now that have put this into place, there's a lot of variation in how effective they are. And it really comes down to creating awareness for the general public and having enforcement. So making sure that police officers have the resources they need to enforce these laws.
And guys, I know we see it every single day. It's becoming all too familiar. Seeing people driving, having their phones in their hands. Now, these bills, they received some resistance in the years past, obviously. People don't want to be told what to do in their car, but think about the seatbelt, for instance. At a time, we were told that we could drive without a seatbelt. Now it's just second nature. So that's the goal here with the Kiefer Foundation. Step 2, if this legislation is passed, would be creating a big campaign to make sure that officers have the resources to pull people over and give them a ticket if they are texting and driving, and also making sure that drivers are aware of the law.